Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to embark on an exciting journey to explore the world on a budget. Did you hear what I say? Budget. In this day and age, it's wise to budget. So whether you're dreaming of wandering through ancient cities or lounging on pristine beaches, or maybe trekking through lush mountains, we've got you covered with our ultimate guide to traveling on a budget. So what are you waiting for? Grab your passport, pack your bags, and let's dive right into our top tips and tricks. First things first, you know that choosing the right destination can make all the difference? There are countless amazing places to explore without breaking the bank. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the breathtaking landscapes of Bali, these budget-friendly destinations offer a perfect blend of culture, adventure, and affordability. Hey guys, let me share a secret with you. You know, one of the best ways to save money while traveling is by opting for alternative accommodations. Forget fancy hotels and consider staying in hostels, guest houses, or even trying homestays. Not only will you save a ton of money, but you'll also get a chance to connect with locals and fellow travelers. Now let's talk about getting around. Transportation. You know, transportation cost can eat up a significant chunk of your budget, but fear not. By using a mix of public transportation like buses and trains, you can even save a fortune while enjoying scenic routes and immersing yourself in the local culture. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not rent a bike or explore the city on foot? It's a great way to discover hidden gems. And now for the food. You know what? One of the highlights of traveling is trying out local cuisines. And guess what? Street food is not only delicious, but also wallet friendly. So ditch the fancy restaurants and head to the bustling food stalls and markets. You'll be amazed at the flavors you can savor without breaking the bank. When it comes to sightseeing, there's no need to splurge on expensive tours or attractions. Many cities offer free walking tours led by knowledgeable locals who are passionate about sharing their insights. You can also find discounted tickets for museums, landmarks, or cultural events by doing a bit of research online or visiting tourist information centers. Remember, sometimes the best experiences are the ones that don't cost a dime. Here's a pro tip for wonderful viewers and subscribers: bargaining. Don't be afraid to negotiate prices at local markets or with street vendors. It's a common practice in many countries, and you'll be surprised at how much you can save. Just remember to be respectful and have fun with it. If you want to hear my story about bargaining in another country, be sure to subscribe because I will be sharing that story in one of our upcoming videos. And there you have it. By choosing affordable destinations, opting for alternative accommodations, using public transportation, savoring street food, seeking out free or discounted attractions, and embracing the art of bargaining, you can embark on an incredible adventures without emptying your wallet. Remember, traveling is all about the experience and the memories you create along the way. So go out there, explore the world, and make every penny count.